Welcome to your lesson on commercial and industrial plumbing troubleshooting and repair, large-scale leak detection and repair, commercial and industrial drain cleaning and water pressure issues in commercial and industrial settings. Introduction to commercial and industrial plumbing. Plumbing in commercial and industrial settings is significantly more complex than residential systems. The larger scale involves more extensive piping networks, higher water pressures, and more robust materials. Proper maintenance and timely troubleshooting are key to avoiding costly repairs and downtime. Large-scale leak detection and repair. Leaks in commercial and industrial plumbing systems can lead to significant waste and potential damage. Often hidden behind walls or underground, detecting these leaks requires specialized tools and methods. Common signs of leaks: unexplained increases in water bills, visible water stains on floors or walls, damp or musty odors, unusual noises like hissing or dripping. Leak detection methods. Using advanced techniques can help identify leaks promptly. Acoustic listening devices. These devices pick up the sound of water escaping from a pipe, providing clues as to the leak's location. Thermal imaging cameras, effective for spotting temperature changes caused by moisture. Thermal cameras are useful for finding leaks behind walls. Tracer gas detection. A special gas is introduced into the plumbing system, and detectors are used to find its escape points. Videos and interactive graphics illustrating these methods in action can further enhance understanding. Repair techniques. Once a leak is detected, repair it promptly using appropriate techniques such as pipe relining. Involves inserting a new lining into damaged pipes, ideal for corrosion or small cracks. Spot repair directly fixes localized areas of damage, usually if the issue is isolated. Pipe replacement, necessary when pipes are beyond repair, involving more time and cost but ensuring longer-lasting solutions. Commercial and industrial drain cleaning. Drains in commercial settings have higher usage demands and serve more people, leading to frequent clogging. Understanding the causes and implementing proper cleaning practices ensures smooth operation. Causes of drain blockages: grease and food particles accumulation, foreign objects and debris, scale buildup from hard water, tree root infiltration, drain cleaning techniques. Depending on the severity and location of the blockage, various methods can be employed. Hydrojetting uses high-pressure water jets to clear stubborn clogs and clean pipe interiors effectively. Cable machine snaking employs a rotating cable with blades to cut through obstructions. Chemical cleaners, used conservatively, they dissolve minor blockages but should be avoided in older systems to prevent damage. An instructional video demonstrating hydrojetting can provide valuable insights into the process. Water pressure issues in commercial and industrial settings. Maintaining optimal water pressure is critical for operational efficiency in commercial and industrial buildings. Low or high pressure can disrupt workflow and affect equipment performance. Causes of water pressure problems: piping design flaws or restrictions, malfunctioning valves or regulators, corroded or leaky pipes, high demand periods causing pressure drops. Troubleshooting techniques. Address water pressure issues effectively by inspecting valves. Ensure all shutoff valves are fully open and functioning correctly. Checking for leaks. Leaks can drastically reduce pressure. Inspect and repair any leaks promptly. Testing pressure regulators. Faulty regulators may require calibration or replacement. Upgrading piping systems. Larger diameter pipes may be needed to accommodate increased demand. Videos illustrating step-by-step troubleshooting processes could prove beneficial for visual learners. Summary: this lesson covered important aspects of troubleshooting and repairing commercial and industrial plumbing systems. You learned about detecting and repairing large-scale leaks using advanced techniques such as acoustic listening devices and thermal imaging cameras. The importance of regular and effective commercial drain cleaning was emphasized, highlighting methods like hydrojetting and snaking. Finally, we discussed maintaining proper water pressure, an essential component of efficient building management. Plumbing issues can lead to serious disruptions, but with the right knowledge and tools, they can be expertly managed. Consider incorporating multimedia resources for a comprehensive learning experience and to cater to different learning styles. Create lecture lesson on commercial and industrial plumbing troubleshooting and repair, large-scale leak detection and repair, commercial and industrial drain cleaning, water pressure issues in commercial and industrial settings. This is how we come to the end of today's lesson on commercial and industrial plumbing troubleshooting and repair, large-scale leak detection and repair, commercial and industrial drain cleaning, water pressure issues in commercial and industrial settings. See you again in the next lesson. Happy learning, folks!